Philip Valerius Vanda oya achifumurwa nana Kirina Mujati achinzi is the guy who is cruel and ordering army forces kuti agoenda against citizens, in some cases vachishuta citizens. Sanopera mashoko anobuda tobva pana kuna Kirina Mujati. Notpa subscribe like turn the bell icon. Tivina pendo pakanpotsa his picture ra Valerius Vanda obudanyira achiti this man is cruel and his name is Philip Valerius Vanda. It must be known and be on record that he was the army commander that ordered army tanks onto the streets of Harare in November 2017, not Chiwenga. Why is he not ordering the army tanks now for a day? If Philip Valerius Vanda ordered army tanks for an elderly Mugabe, why is he protecting Idi Mnangagwa, who is a looter, ritualist, a fake Mutapa violating our constitution with his dangerous and adherent son Sean abusing the army uniform? The Air Force under parents she did not participate. They were just force observers of the coup. In 2018, Chiwenga was no longer Commander Defense Forces or Commander-in-Chief. Chiwenga had no legal basis to deploy or give instructions to shoot civilians on the streets. The 2018 shootings were and a responsibility of Commander-in-Chief and the Commander Defense Forces Philip Valerius Vanda. Ndo mashoko anobuda toko panapa vana Kirina Mujati achiexposa vana Valerius Vanda achibudisa chokwadi nemisunderstanding ine vanhu vanenge vachiti the VP is the one who ordered kuti vanhu vashutiwe, but vanenge achitaipeta achiti is the guy anonzi Philip Valerius Vanda and this guy must be taken account for. This guy is very cruel. Vanhu vasamuona semunhu kwai. Mashoko anobuda toko panapa naKirina Mujati ingotitse mafungiro enyu munoti pamusoro view yaari kuuya achipa citizens. Pane comment section mufungiro enyu, subscribe or like.